In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the dashboard on Google Sites fast and easy. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who are just starting with Google Sites and want a simple guide to get connected with this versatile tool. To begin, we'll start at the very foundation, launching Google Sites on your browser. Head over to your preferred web browser and type Google Sites into the search bar. You'll want to select the first link that comes up, which should take you directly to the Google Sites homepage. This is where your journey begins. Clicking on this will lead you straight into the world of Google Sites, where you're able to create and manage your websites. If you're not signed into your Google account yet, you'll be prompted to do so at this stage. Simply enter your Google account credentials, which you likely already have as part of using the Google suite of applications. If you happen to have multiple accounts, make sure to pick the one that you intend to use for your site management. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the main Google Sites dashboard. This is your central hub and home to all your future projects. If you're new here, expect your dashboard to be empty. But don't worry, this is where all the action starts. From this point on, you'll be able to create new sites, view existing ones, or even access shared sites if you're collaborating with others. For email verifications or sign-ins, the process is straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. After successfully logging in, click Next to proceed. It's as easy as that. Fortunately, Google Sites is designed to be very intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring even those who aren't as tech-savvy can navigate with ease. Now, as you explore your dashboard, keep an eye out for some key features. The layout is designed to make everything you need accessible. You'll see options to create a new site, along with tabs that allow you to access files, manage settings, and more. Taking the time to familiarize yourself with these options will make your navigation more efficient as you build and manage your sites. That's it for this quick introduction to the Google Sites dashboard. With this guide, getting started should be a breeze. As you practice, you'll find that creating and managing sites becomes second nature. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And remember to check out our other videos for more in-depth looks at Google Sites and other tools. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy exploring Google Sites.